Edo Governor Obaseki don tok say the state don make big progress for creative, arts and culture sectors for the past 8 years, putting Edo as one of the top places for creative work and one important hub for arts, culture and tourism for Africa. The governor yarned this one during one special event for Benin City, where he lead one delegation wey include former Imo State Governor Right Honorable Emeka Ihedioha, former Cross River State Governor Donald Duke, and other big people to officially commission the Museum of West Africa at MOWAA Institute and campus. The event still include the launching of the Edo Film Project residence, wey dem also dey call Edonimose, the Victor Waifo Creative Hub Production Center, and inspection of the Radisson Hotel project, all for inside Benin City. Governor Obaseki, for your address to the Ogbonge people, wey include diplomatic people, representatives from international museums and other stakeholders, in contrast say the MOWAA campus na one big part of Edo's cultural district, say the project go bring plenty jobs, investment and economic growth, and it go help Edo become the main place for tourism and creative economy.
The reason why we as a government supported this project, besides just discovering who we are and also projecting a very unique asset we have to the world, is because of the significant economic opportunities, particularly in terms of job creation and engaging our people, which an asset like this, or a project like this, presents.
For the Edo Film Project residence launch and the commissioning of the Edo State Film Post-Production Center, Governor Obaseki come also encourage Edo people, especially the youth, to make sure say the progress the state don't make not go back to the old days of underdevelopment and stagnation. Oga Obaseki come also here and say the facility na part of their bigger plan to make Edo the creative hub of Naija, whether na visual arts, performing arts, film, music, design or creativity. He come also talk say the new place go help artists bring their ideas to life from start to finish.
We want Edo to be the hub of creativity in Nigeria. So whether you're talking about the visual arts, the creative arts, film, music, design, because the people are here, it's natural to us. So what we as government is doing is to create the enabling environment and the infrastructure to support our people's creativity. With this facility, today, which we're commissioning today, we are adding to what we've done before. On the other side, it's facilities to help artists produce, finish their production. This one is supposed to help them edit their productions. So it's an end-to-end service that we're providing to our creatives in Nigeria. They don't have to go abroad to go and complete their productions. Whatever they've decided to produce, they can complete here in Benin City.
For their speech, both Ihedioha and Donald Duke praise Governor Obaseki for the way he don transform Edo, especially for the economy through smart investment for imported sector. They come also talk say Obaseki na visionary leader wey always put Edo people's welfare and development first, helping to open new doors for prosperity and growth.
We've seen advancements of Edo State educationally since he assumed office, industrially. You've seen advancement of Edo State in the area of health sector. You've seen advancement in infrastructure development, and most importantly, power. Now, the governor appreciates that there is need to create wealth, generate wealth, and create job opportunities. Empowerment of a generation after him, the leaders of tomorrow. Now, I think in appreciation of this, it is very important that we understand that, like Governor Duke said, sustainability of these are very fundamental, because the essence of government is to advance the well-being, welfare of the people, which he has set the pace. And the most important thing, appreciate and do everything we can to ensure that we do not go below this level.
In our country, we don't have responsible elites that hold the government accountable. We don't. They flow with every government, and which is wrong. The word elite is from the word enlightened. The enlightened people of a society or community or state or nation should drive the process. But our elites are selfish and self-serving. So we have to go beyond them to the beneficiaries of the project to keep this project alive. Because it would be painful, not just to him, but to each and every one of us, if a year or 2 years down the line, we find that these facilities are in disrepair or not even being used at all. Because someone comes in and says, oh, this is an Obaseki thing, let me do my own thing. No. Government is shift work. He has done his own shift 4 or 8 years, another shift comes in. If the shift that comes in decides that what the earlier shift did will not see the light of day, I'll start again from, then you will never complete the work. You would never complete the work. A wise man once told me that if you take your hand and cover the work of others, you will not free your own hand to do your own work. So I wish the people of Edo well. I want to commend you, Governor Obaseki. You've done excellently well. The people spoke eloquently on the day of elections, right? And I do hope that our judiciary will rise up to the occasion, which is seldom. They're not known for that. But I hope that they'll step out of character this time and do what is right and not what is expedient.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.